Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian Oha Soup, a delicious traditional soup from the Igbo tribe that is rich, hearty, and full of flavor. Let's get started. So firstly, you're going to season and cook your meat until they are soft and tender. So for the seasoning, I went in with ground pepper, salt, and seasoning cubes, and that was it for me. So if you use other seasonings, you can go right ahead and add them. So when I got done with that, I gave it a stir. After stirring, I covered the pot and let the meat cook by itself for a few minutes until it brought out some juices. So while that is happening, I went ahead and boiled my cocoyam. So you're going to boil this until it's very soft. So after my meat has brought out some juices, I added my stockfish and then my dried fish. And then I added enough water to cook them all together until everything is tender and soft. I gave it a stir to make sure everything is well coated. Then I covered the pot and let it cook. So here my cocoyam has cooked and it's soft. So I'm just going to blend this into a smooth paste. Now over to the main soup. When your meat is as soft as you want it to be, you're going to go in with your palm oil. You're going to go in with your crayfish and pepper. I blended mine together. And then you're going to go in with your ogiri. You know, the ogiri that we use to cook Oha and Onugbu, that is Egusi. And then you're going to go in with seasoning cubes and salt. So while you're done with this, you're going to give it a stir and then you're going to allow it to cook. So that ogiri really gives the soup a rich traditional taste. So after adding everything in, you're going to give this a stir and then you're going to let it cook for a few minutes. I let mine cook so that the palm oil won't have that sour taste, and then all the ingredients will blend in nicely. So this is me going in with my blended cocoyams. You're going to add in as much as you need. If you want it very thick, go in with more cocoyam paste. But if you don't want it that thick, just go in with little at a time until you get the best consistency for you. So when you're done putting everything in, you're going to give it another stir, cover the pot and let everything cook together. Finally, you're going to go in with your uziza leaves and then you're going to add your oha leaves, your washed oha leaves. Okay, they go in last so that they can stay fresh, green and flavorful. So when you're done adding that, you're going to give it a stir gently. You're going to stir that gently and then you're going to let the soup simmer for a few more minutes and it's ready. So Nigerian Oha soup is best enjoyed with pounded yam, fufu or semovita, but you can use with any swallow of your choice. It's really a true comfort meal and one of the classics of Nigerian cuisine. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends who love Nigerian food. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.